How to make a Taurus man fall in love with a Capricorn woman. A Taurus man and a Capricorn woman share a natural harmony built on loyalty, patience, and ambition. Both value stability and trust, making them a strong match. However, to make a Taurus man fall deeply in love, the Capricorn woman must appeal to both his heart and his sense of security. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Be calm and patient. A Taurus man dislikes rushing into emotions. A Capricorn woman should take her time, showing grace and composure. Letting love develop slowly helps him feel safe and connected, building a steady bond that lasts. 2. Show loyalty and consistency. Trust means everything to a Taurus man. Keeping promises and staying dependable will make him admire her more. The Capricorn woman's steady nature naturally earns his confidence and deepens his feelings over time. 3. Balance ambition with warmth. Capricorn women are driven, but Taurus men prefer a calm, balanced approach. Sharing her dreams while staying humble draws him closer. He loves a woman who works hard but still values peace and simplicity. 4. Create a comfortable romance. Taurus men adore comfort and affection. The Capricorn woman can win his heart through thoughtful gestures, a home-cooked meal, quiet evenings, or genuine compliments. Small, sincere moments matter more to him than grand displays. 5. Express love gently. Both signs are reserved, yet emotional warmth strengthens their bond. The Capricorn woman should show her love subtly, with touch, care, and honesty. A Taurus man appreciates tenderness shown through action, not just words. 6. Respect his stability. Taurus men dislike drama or sudden change. By being calm, secure, and reliable, a Capricorn woman shows she is the right partner for the long term. Her grounded energy mirrors his, creating lasting trust. To make a Taurus man fall in love with a Capricorn woman, she must blend patience with devotion, and ambition with tenderness. Their love grows best when both focus on mutual respect, emotional balance, and unwavering loyalty. Together, they form one of the most stable and enduring matches in the zodiac. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.